बेटी हूँ, मैं पैदा करती हूँ, भगवा की नहीं परवाह, अल्लाह से डरती हूँ।
All students are like family. We are family. This is our respect. Don't you remember what he said in the first day of college?
The continuing violation of human rights in India is intolerable. We strongly condemn this atrocity. Where are the so-called human rights activists? When will human rights champions wake up? When will the UN take notice of growing extremism in India? Because even those who protest against oppression are arrested there or declare that oppression of Muslims does not fall into the category of human rights violations. Remember, provoking Muslims around the world in this way can be very dangerous. Let the whole world come to its senses before it is too late.